Welcome back to MaxsGarajMahal, and we have received a package from Biswaye Good Life, which manufactures Biswaye and Laonnmower batteries. This is a Biswaye unboxing today, and of course, as you always know, all my stuff is unscripted, so what I say and what you hear is just off the cuff. I need to learn to write this stuff down. But we're going to show you what we have here and what I've been needing. So I got me one of their brand new, just off the assembly line, 40 volt Biswaye lithium battery replacements for Ryobi 40 volt. All their various 40 volt systems. And as you can see, I got my finger in your way, Hannah. How did I do this? Alright, they always come 75% charged, which, as you can see, this one is. That's great. Alright, stick it over there. Also wanted to get, all I've got is the old chargers that came with my Ryobi machine. And they're good chargers, but they are very slow. And I wanted to get me one of these Biswaye fast chargers. They actually sort of, from what I understand, and I didn't get this from Biswaye, but from some other folks that have tried these prior to me. They said these things sort of basically heal up a battery. Well, I got a couple of batteries that need some healing. It does say right on it, quick charger. How about that, guys? Let's see here. So it comes protected so that the ends don't get squashed, rolling around, coming all the way from China. And Trine, which runs the company, bless her heart, she has 2 or 3 warehouses here in the United States. So she shipped this to me from here within the States because she already had them in stock here. So let's see here. Alright, there's the light that I was expecting to see. Let's go ahead. I always like to, whenever I get a battery charger that's not directly from the factory or manufactured by a particular company, and most of those companies don't manufacture their chargers and batteries. Matter of fact, I don't know any of them that manufactures their batteries. There's companies that manufactures the batteries and puts their labels on them, okay, to their specifications. So with that said, let's see how this one fits. Well, that's nice. And as you can see by the red light flashing here, maybe you can't. There you go. And I've got it right where that lettering. Anyway, you can see the green light's already flashing. That tells me that the battery is taking a charge. While it's doing that, let me run grab, because I said this is totally unscripted and unprepared. But I'm going to run grab a couple of the Ryobi batteries. Matter of fact, I'm going to grab one Ryobi and one Laonnmower battery. Let's see how they fit. For all of you that's been watching this channel and following my Ryobi 40 volt trimmer, this is its 4th season, which it hasn't been outside yet, so it's got some trimming and some edging to do. And as you know, if you've been following the channel, I bought a edger instead of using the string for that, and man, it's so much faster. And this Ryobi battery, as you can see, it doesn't last nearly as long as Trine's Laonnmower battery. Right there. This thing kicks that one's butt all over the place. So now then, let's pull this one off and let's put the Ryobi label battery in here and see how it fits. Fits good. It shows it is charging the last 25% on that battery, which that's a good thing. And these things being, you know, now how do you get it back out of here? Alright, yeah, we've got to push real hard. Okay, so I always try to keep these things discharged down to 75% over the winter time, so I need to charge these because they do need to be deployed. But what we'll do, and as you can see, I hope that this was charging the last 25% of this Lassika battery. Alright, this video is not about the two Ryobi batteries. This is about the Biswaye brand and about their chargers. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and charge this up fully, and then once this is charged fully, we're going to take this and the 40 volt Ryobi, and we're going to go outside and do some trimming, and then we're going to do some edging. Real quickly, while we're before we do that, let's just put this battery on this trimmer. Fits good there. Actually, it fits better in my Biswaye, or my Lassika. Let's try the Lassika on here real quick. This one's always a little bit tight, but being tight, it doesn't flop around. That's a good thing too. And as you can see, works great on that. I always have to give this thing a little bit of a nudge to get it off because it does fit tight. Alright, I don't have any weight on the bottom of that trimmer. There we go. Now then, I'd rather have that as have the thing fall off. So anyway, here we go. There we are. Hey, I think this thing's got some hoss to it. Okay, so now, let's turn off the video for a little bit. Let's let this thing charge up, and we'll see how that battery performs out in the real world. So there it is. We'll be back as soon as I see 4 stars or 4 bright lights. Okay, as you can see, the battery's now charged, and let's give you some specifications here. Again, this is a Biswaye 40 volt, 240 watt hour, 6 amp hour, and we're going to go ahead and give this thing a test real quick. And let's listen to it one more time before I put the head on this thing. Now that's without anything on it. Let me grab a head. It's handy, so let's just go ahead and use this one. And we'll put this thing together. Back it up just a tad. Man, that sounds strong. Okay. Alright, next thing is we'll go outside and give her a little 1-2, so bear with me. Alright, we're going to get this fence line real quick. Fourth year for the Ryobi expanded system, and first year for the Biswaye 6 amp hour, 240 watt hour, 40 volt lithium replacement battery. Alright, hope you got something out of this. We're going to wear this thing out over the summertime and fall, so y'all stay tuned. We'll have this whole thing out quite a bit. We've got some edging to do down through here around the house. Edging on this place, I figured, I counted it up one day, rolled it out with the measure, and I believe it was 1,690 feet of edging to do, and I believe we can do every bit of it with this one battery. We're going to find out, and then if it'll do that, we'll find out how far to go trimming. So we may trim first and see if we can get the edging done. We may do the edging or the trimming the edging first and see if we can get trimming done. So anyway, we'll switch it up. So we appreciate you guys coming by Max's Garage Mahal. And like I said, if you get anything out of it, well, I wish you'd do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and as we always say at Max's Garage Mahal, sweaty and all, y'all come back and see me now. You hear?